In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which fields to fill, so your company records are clean, consistent, and useful for your team. Start on your HubSpot home screen and head to the CRM area. This is where all your core records live. From there, open the Companies section. Think of companies as the central profile for an organization. Later, you can link contacts, deals, tickets, and notes to it for a complete view. Next, choose Add Companies, then select Create New. This opens a clean form where you'll provide the foundational information. Take a moment to confirm you have permission to create records in your portal, especially if your team has rules around ownership or territories. Begin with the company domain name. Enter the root domain like example.com, not a full URL or a personal email domain. This matters because HubSpot can use the domain to auto-enrich details such as the logo, website, and sometimes location data. If enrichment is enabled in your account, this step can save you a lot of time and reduce manual errors. Add the company name. If HubSpot suggests a name based on the domain, verify it matches your naming convention. Consistent naming helps prevent duplicates. For instance, decide whether you'll use the legal name or the common brand name and stick to it across your team. Assign the company owner. Choose the teammate responsible for this account, so tasks, notifications, and reports align with your sales or success process. Ownership keeps accountability clear and enables automation, like routing leads and triggering follow-ups. Select the industry. Pick the closest match from the options your portal provides. Accurate industry data powers segmentation, forecasting, and targeted outreach, and it helps your reporting reflect the real mix of your customer base. Enter the city, then the state or region, and finally the postal code. Standardized location data is crucial for routing by territory, planning on-site visits, respecting time zones, and filtering reports. Use official abbreviations where applicable, and for international addresses, follow your team's formatting guidelines to keep filters consistent. Before you move on, give everything a quick review. Check spelling, confirm the owner, and make sure the domain is correct to minimize duplicates. If your portal flags a potential duplicate, evaluate it rather than creating another record. That's it. You've set up a company profile that's ready to support contacts, activities, and deals. Keep this flow in mind each time, and your database will stay clean, searchable, and truly actionable. Thanks for watching, and happy building in HubSpot.